I can't do it.
Are you doing it? Híjole.
Yeah, man.
Alright, let's stand up. Have you face that way. Yeah, so hands are gonna go right there. Alright, let me face up. Let's do your ankles. Your side facing too.
I'm just.
Let's scoot. Scoot, scoot, scoot.
Did the leg pop in?
Yeah. No promises. This is the first time.
Yeah.
Here we go. Whoop, there it is. I thought you knew.
Feeling good. Real good.
How good?
Real good.
Push back with both arms. And then keep going back with this arm. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. And same thing with this side.
Wow.
Good. Push back. It's right there where you're stuck. Feel that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This feels really good.
Make posture open up.
Yeah.
Don't die, friend.
How you feeling, babe? And she's back.
No, you don't. That was the
Raise the arm.
No, I can't. I can't do it.
Do it.
I can't do it. I can't do it, babe. I can't. I'm not doing it. I can't do it.
Are you doing it?
Oh my god, that hurts so bad. Wow.
Oh, it's getting better.
Okay. Yeah, it's getting better.
There you go.
Okay. Oh.
Okay.
We don't have to do the other side. That's okay. What are these sounds that come out? Like,
You ready for childbirth, babe?
no, definitely not.
She's like, no.
Definitely not.
Stand up. Face towards me. Go there.
This thing?
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
There it was.
That's the one.
That was the one.
That's the one. I feel good. Thank you.
You're welcome.